Yes, yesterday we have completed the basic proportionality theorem. Okay,
Yes, yes.
and this theorem today we will discuss about the converse of BPT. Am I audible to you?
Sir, please scroll again.
Yes. Now screen is here. Yes, theorem
Yes, sir.
6.2. That is converse of
Basic proportionality.
converse of BPT.
What type of questions can come?
Converse of BPT. Okay.
Sir, converse of BPT will come.
Converse of BPT will not come.
In 6th chapter, what kind of questions like you have?
Yes.
So because there are
Listen to me. Question will come on the basis of BPT. Find out the value of K. Find out the value of AB, and the proof question will not come. Okay. Exercise 6.3 depends on criterion of similarity of triangles.
Yes.
Okay. And exercise 6.4 depends on area of similar triangle theorem, and exercise 6.5 depends on Pythagoras theorem and converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Yes. I want to tell you that what is converse of BPT theorem. Statement is statement. Yes. In BPT, what is BPT?
Basic
Listen to me.
proportionality theorem.
Listen to me. It is ABC, and in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC.
We need to prove this parallel.
Listen. DE parallel to BC.
Sorry to disturb, but
This would be
Okay, yes. In triangle ABC, in BPT, in triangle ABC, BPT, what will we have to study? In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, and we have to prove that AD by DB.
So will you be not writing the statement?
We have to prove that AD by DB and AE by EC. It is your BPT. It is your BPT. Okay. But in converse of BPT, this will be given. This will be given. AD by DB, AE by EC will be given. We have to prove that DE parallel to BC. हमें ये प्रूव करना है. Converse है. But in BPT, DE parallel to BC given. We have to prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC.
Sides prove करें.
But in converse of BPT, ratio is given. But we have to prove that DE parallel to BC. If AD by DB, AE by EC is equal, by converse of BPT, DE parallel to BC. You can write such as. Okay. Now write the statement. Yes. Theorem 6.2 converse of BPT. Statement. To prove that if a line divides any two sides of a triangle, any two sides a triangle in the same ratio, in the same ratio, in the same ratio, in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side, then the line is parallel to third side, is parallel to third side. Parallel to the third side. Okay. To prove that if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, it means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC is given, then the line is parallel to third side. We have to prove that DE parallel to BC. Statement is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Note down it. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Listen.
Yes, sir.
Yes. ABC is a triangle. That is DE. DE. Yes. In a triangle ABC, DE is a line which divide the two sides AB and AC such that AD by DB, AD by EC. Given. In triangle ABC, a line DE divides two sides, AB and AC such that AD by DB, AE by EC, AD by DB, AE by EC, AD by DB, AE by EC. Okay. DE in construction, DE not parallel to BC. DE क्या है? BC के parallel नहीं है. We have to prove it. DE parallel to BC. Okay. Yes. In construction, D if possible, DE is not parallel to BC. If possible, DE is not parallel to BC. Listen. DE क्या है? BC के parallel नहीं है. Now we will take another line which is parallel to BC. एक another line लेंगे जो BC के parallel है.
ठीक है.
Okay. हम क्या है यहाँ पे एक लाइन ली हमने यहाँ पे डी है. Okay.
To prove the parallel construction.
Yes. Listen. If possible, DF parallel to BC. If possible, D is not parallel to BC, we will take another line DF parallel to BC. हमने DF को क्या है BC के parallel लिया, हमने assume किया. कंस्ट्रक्शन में assume कर सकते हैं. Okay, yes.
So किसमें assume कर सकते हैं?
If possible, D is not parallel to BC, take another line.
So we prove by contradiction.
By
Yes,
the
another line,
Until
another line.
prove wrong ourselves.
DF parallel to BC. Okay. हमने एक another line ली है जो DF parallel to BC है. Okay. बाद में हम इसको क्या करते हैं कि DF will coincide on DE. Yes. It is your DE. Okay. It is your DE. Yes. parallel to BC. Okay. Yes. Any problems?
No, sir.
Do it fast. छोटा हो गया छोटा है
सर वो हटा दीजिए ना,
क्या डाल
वो जो टीम्स का वो चल रहा है
तो
पिक्चर
अजय उससे क्या होगा
स्पेस आ जाएगा
सर आप उसको सर प्लीज टेक द
Have you done? Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Proof. ABC triangle and that is DE which is not parallel to BC and it is here. Okay. Yes. In triangle ABC, DF parallel to BC. Why?
the construction by construction.
Why construction? In DF parallel to BC, what is saying BPD? Why
If the
BPD?
two lines are parallel, then the sides will be equal ratio. Sides which could be equal.
It means AD by
BD
BD.
equals
AF by
FC.
AF by FC. Am I right or wrong?
That is right.
Equation first. Okay. But AD by DB, AE by BC given. AD by DB and AE by BC given. But
Yes, sir.
AD by DB and AE by BC. That is second they given. Okay. This is given. From equation first and second we get. And second we get AF by FC, AE by BC. Okay. AF by FC and AE by BC. Okay. Yes. Any doubt, any problems?
AF by FC.
ये AD by DB है, AD by DB जब लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल है तो राइट हैंड साइड AF by FC और AE by BC इक्वल हो जाएगा. ओके. To prove it. Okay. Now we'll add one on both sides. Adding one on both sides we get. One on both sides we get. Okay. AF by FC
plus 1
and AE by EC
plus
plus FC. AF plus FC and EC AE plus EC. AF plus FC.
AD plus 1.
AF plus FC. What is AF plus FC is
AC.
AC. And AE plus EC
AE plus AC only.
is okay.
AC.
It means AC by FC.
FC equals to AC by EC.
AC by AC. You cancel out. Okay, it becomes 1 by FC is equal to 1 by AC.
Yes.
First multiply it. It becomes EC is equal to FC. It becomes
EC equals
EC is equal to
FC.
okay. See the figure and tell me that EC is equal to FC? हो सकता है?
No.
कब हो सकता है?
Not at all.
जब F E पे नहीं
जब overlap one side.
जब पॉइंट E जो है, जो पॉइंट F क्या है E पे कोइंसाइड करे।
Yes.
पॉइंट जो है अगर F क्या है E पे अगर आ जाता है तो कोइंसाइड करेगा। इट मींस क्या है, DF जो है वो कंप्लीटली किस पे आ रहा है? D पे आ रहा है ना? और DF क्या है? DF पैरेलल टू BC है और DF इक्वल टू किसके इक्वल है? DE के इक्वल है। तो D इज पैरेलल टू BC। नहीं है? है भाई? है कि नहीं है? यस। Listen to me. It is possible only when point F coincide with point E. Okay, point E. It is possible only when point F coincide with point E.
So what is possible?
ये possible
वो भी तो लिखना पड़ेगा ना.
क्या? It is possible only when point F coincide with
Point E.
E.
P. So then we write here E. FC would be equal to EC.
Therefore DF is equal to DE.
Then our assumption is wrong.
So DF is equal to DE. Okay. But DF parallel to
BC.
Y
By construction.
by construction.
Hence.
By construction. But DF क्या है? DE के इक्वल है. Therefore DE parallel to क्या है? BC. Hence समझ आया आपको?
Yes. Exercise 6.1 में nothing.
6.2.
Sir, in 6.1 we have nothing to do.
Exercise 6.2. Question number first part. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. In figure 6.17, figure first second, DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to DE parallel to BC. आपको पता लगा तो DE parallel to BC तो रिपीट करने वाली होगी.
Yes, sir.
Listen. Your AD is 1.5. Yes. And DB is 3 centimeter. Listen to me. 1 marks. Yes. Okay. AD is 1.5. DB is 3 centimeter. AE 1 centimeter.
And is find CE.
EC we have to find out. Okay. In triangle ABC.
1.5 of
Listen.
C.
Yes, I am telling you that 1 marks and 2 marks. Question will come in first term 100% on BPT. 100%. BPT पे 100% 1 मार्क्स से 2 मार्क्स से क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा. नोट कर लो ये. और मैं भी देने वाला हूँ.
AD upon BD equals to AE
इसी
upon
टाइप के क्वेश्चन
CE.
आएंगे. इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चन आएंगे. आपके पास या तो x की वैल्यू मिसिंग होगी, वहाँ पे क्या है, या तो आपके पास e की वैल्यू मिसिंग होगी, a की वैल्यू मिसिंग होगी. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आएंगे. ओके, बता रहा हूँ आपको पहले. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC y given. By BPT we get. By BPT we get. BPT we get. AD by DB
Equal
by DB, AE by EC. Yes. What is AD?
1.5.
1.5 divided by 3. And EA is
1 by 6.
1 centimeter, sir.
1 by
1.5 CE is
Okay,
equal
yes.
to 3.
सर आप कैसे कर रहे हैं?
30 नहीं होगा सर।
सर 30 लिखी आपने तो 10 क्यों मॉडल
3 5
3 1 जा 3 3 5 जा 15 5 1 जा 5 5 Okay. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by EC and EC is equal to 2. Second part in homework. Now question number 2. Second part. Question number 2. Second part. Question number 2 depends on converse of BPD. Okay. Question number 1 depends on BPD, but question number 2 depends on converse of BPD. All sides are given. You have to check the ratio. AD by DB, AE by EC. If AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, then side will be parallel, otherwise side will be not parallel. Why? If AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, converse of BPD will satisfied. If converse of BPD satisfied, then DE parallel to BC. Otherwise, D is not parallel to BC. Done?
Yes, sir.
Question number 2. First part. Okay. Yes. E and F are points on side PQ and PR of triangle PQR. PQR. Yes. E and F are points. E and F are points. Okay. Yes. For each of the following cases, state whether EF parallel to QR. हमें चेक करना है कि EF parallel to QR है. पैरेलल चेक करने के लिए कन्वर्स ऑफ बीपीटी का यूज करना है.
और अगर वो इक्वल हो गया तो पैरेलल
समझ में आ गया ना? कंसेप्ट क्लियर है ना? अब आगे देखिए. PE is 3.9 centimeter. PE is 3.9 centimeter. And EQ is 3 centimeter. Okay. Now PF is 3.6 centimeter.
and FR is equal to 2.4 cm.
And FR is 2.4 centimeter. Yes. Now in triangle PQR, PE by PQ, please check it. Okay, it becomes 1.3 centimeter.
Yes.
And PF by FR,
3.6 upon
3.6. 2.4. Okay. It becomes 36 by 10 and 24 by 10. That is 1.5.
It's not equal.
Okay. It equally near.
Parallel.
Now PE by EQ is not equal to PE by DQ. Is not equal to PF by FR. That are not equal. Okay, the given condition does not satisfy the converse of BPD. Okay, the given condition, the given data, the given condition,
And thus is not parallel to QR.
yes, the given condition does not satisfy
The BPD
does not satisfy
converse of
converse of BPD. So EM is not parallel to QR. So EM is
Yes,
not
sir.
EM is not parallel to QR.
Sir, not parallel.
क्या कर दिया? क्या दबा दिया?
Side दबाइए control shift and plus.
So converse of BPD. So EM is not parallel to
तो सब छोड़ो।